So you want to learn a few easy songs that sound impressive on guitar? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you 5 guitar tunes that are instantly recognisable the moment you play the first 2 or 3 bars, and I'll let you in on a secret, they're not that hard to play. And look, if you like any of these songs, I'll leave links above and below for the full guitar lessons. So that first one I played was, of course, Kiss, I Was Made for Loving You. Look, it's made up of 2 super easy open chords based around the E minor and A minor. But if I just strum those out, it would sound like this. Which of course is pretty flat and boring and quite frankly unrecognisable as a song. But when you put in those extra variants, which is the single finger hammer-ons on the 2 strings, on the E minor and the A minor, it sounds so much better, like this. This next one is all about the strum in combination with the 2 easy chords, which is the D sus2 and the A chord. You'll recognise this song immediately I start playing it. Let's do it now. Take me through the April sun in Cuba. This next song is a Pink Floyd classic and it's all about the strumming pattern, again instantly recognisable. You will need to have a good grasp of bar chords to play this one. I'm going to do a partial quick playthrough right now. Let's do it. Okay, song number 4, late 1970s, early 1980s. I love this song because of the high energy strumming, and it's just a great song. It's actually a cool one to sing at a campfire because everyone gets right into the crescendo at the chorus. I'll do a partial demo right now. Can't seem to face up to the fact. Get so nervous, can't relax, can't sleep, bed's on fire. Don't touch me, I'm a real live wire. Psycho killer, kiss easy, got the fire, got the fire. Run, 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 run away. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Look, anyone who's ever picked up a guitar can probably fumble their way through the bass line lick of this song. But there's actually more to the song than just the bass line. Let's do it now. But before we do, just look, if you've got any value out of today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe, become a Campfire Guitar Hero by subscribing below. I'm gonna write them all. 7 Nation Army couldn't hold me back. Rip it off, taking that tie right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette.